Hello friend, welcome. So this is our Connect 4 implemented using SwiftUI for iOS. We already checked the game over condition for vertical and horizontal cases. It's time to handle the diagonal cases, okay? So there are two different diagonals, right? One from top left to bottom right. Another one is from bottom left to top right. So we need to do one by one. Okay, we'll extend our recursive idea like those three here. Okay, so now let's handle bottom. Wow, so there will be 4 different scenarios because for like this one, let's handle top left to bottom right, and let's create one here. So it will be something like this one, right? Yeah, it will be something like this one, right? From top left to bottom right. So if I drop a yellow one here, it's a game over, right? It's a game over. Yellows win. Okay, so for this one we need a count starting from here to the bottom, or yeah, the second scenario is going up. The formulas are different, so we can say top left to bottom right, and we still need to top left to bottom right. Okay, let's use this. Top left to bottom right. This is like, let's try left count first. Left count. Wow. For that, okay, so we'll use the same thing here, and let's copy that. So it's like from here going up, going to the left. Now if we meet a different player, we return 0. If the column is 0, right? Yeah, if the column is 0, or the row is the top one here, touch. If it touches the top 5, it means, right, this is the base case for our recursive call. Then we return 1. We counted 1. Otherwise, we'll use 1 plus this recursive call. And what is column? Column will be going to left count. So the 1 to here, the column is negative, column -1, row is row -1. Yes, and the player saying. Okay, so now let's handle the right case for this one. right, so it means from here going to the right, going down, going to the right. So don't forget to call this. And now going down and right, if column is this edge, right, this is 6, column 6, and bottom row is 0, then we return 1. Otherwise so here is plus and plus, right? Okay, now we can simply make a copy of this one for the other diagonal, right? Like this one, this, yeah, here, right? This direction. Okay, so it will be bottom left to top right. Okay, so bottom left to top right. So let's make a copy of this guy first. Okay, now going left, it means this way, this way. Okay, so if the column is 0 and the row is also, all row is 0, we return. This is the base case. Otherwise, let's make this before I forget. Okay, now the recursive call going this way, going to the left and down, column -1, this is +1. Cool. And here going to the right and the top, so right, yeah, column is that top, this one is 5, and then going to the right, column +1, going up, row -1. Yeah, then we can use here, right? Else if let's call it left, bottom left to top right. Okay, so column, row, prayer is prayer. Okay, we need to do plus the other the other half. Oh, we don't have a row here, so row, sorry about that. So row is always this guy, and the prayer is whose turn. Okay, now let's make a copy of this one, plus that. Here is right, and plus -1, yeah, because -1 should be 4. This is the condition. What is wrong? Right count, bottom left, cannot find bottom count, bottom left to top right. So let's see this one, bottom count, bottom left to top right. Control E, command E, command O. What is wrong? COUNT. Right. Oh, GHT. Sorry about that. GHT. What about this one? Yeah, my bad, sorry for the typo. Okay, so this one we can print out, right? Game 1 diagonally, this is bottom left, bottom left to top right. Okay, yeah. Now let's make yeah, so that the next one is else, right? Oh, else if, yeah. So we can make a copy of this one. Else if. So this time is bottom right to top left. Bottom, we don't have that. So what is that? Top left, okay. So it's top left to bottom right, yeah. So this one and that. Yeah, that's it. So this one is top left to bottom right. Now let's give a try. Run it. Red, yellow, so red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Okay, now check here. Yes, it works. Bottom left to top right. Play by, no, this is wrong. Bottom left to top right. Did we make a mistake here? So bottom left is this one. Actually is top left. Top left. Okay, let's double check here. So bottom, oh, I know. I messed up with the like, so here this is our logical 0 0. Okay, I thought it was there, so here, sorry about that. And so bottom left, yeah, so let's review this one. So bottom left to top right. Okay, so here this one, so we need to reverse the logic. So here going, yeah, left, so this one is yeah, negative. The right is plus, yes, here. And left, top left to bottom right. Okay, so here going left is column is smaller, and right, and this one is actually bigger, yeah, like that. Yeah, going up, yeah, row. And this one top left right. So right is going to this way, so going this way, so the column is going to be big and the column row is going to be smaller. Okay, now let's try it again. Okay, now see, top left to bottom right by player yellow. Yes, reset. And now let's try the other case. This time let's use the yellow, the red one, to make the red win. Okay, so yellow and yellow. No, so let's do this one. Okay, now let's try this guy. Okay, red, bottom left to top right, bottom left to top right, right, bottom left and top right. One by red. Yes. Okay, now what about another scenario, like we don't touch the bottom here? Okay, I'll stop here. You can verify for me. Okay, thank you. See you next time.